You are going to love the 2019 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power lift gate, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.